Hi guys, welcome to another recipe video. Well, I wasn't sure what I was going to say because as you can see, I'm talking to you directly from my studio since I'm getting ready to do another painting. So guys, anyway, this week we're going to do another great recipe. It's a Chinese recipe with egg noodles. The difference is that you can make it with any kind of noodle that you like. For us, it's a flat egg noodle, medium flat egg noodles. So as I say, you can choose whatever you want, but the thing about it is that you do it when you have an electric wok or a regular wok that you can put on your stove. That's okay, that's even better. But the thing is, it's very fast, but you have to let it marinate for at least 24 hours. But because of that, it's in spite of that, it's a very fast recipe. So guys, like always, I hope you like it. I hope you're gonna try it because you're gonna see it's very good. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care guys. Ciao.